Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Citibank credit card in Access Bank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do, of course, is you will have to make sure that you have a Citi account. Make sure to go and log in into that account if you have one. And of course, the same will be for Access Bank. Make sure that you have an account in Access Bank as well. If you don't, make sure to go and create an account or open an account in both Bank City and Access Bank. So example here in Access and also in Citi. So make sure to go and log in into your account here and also in Access. Now, what you'll need to do, of course, once you do so, you would like to open, of course, your Citibank credit card in the Access app. So you'll need to go and connect it together. And how can we do that? So I cannot provide you an inside app application or tutorial because I don't have like an account in Access, but I'll show you some snips of a video. It's not mine, so I cannot show you the whole video because it's copyrighted. I'll just show you some snips from it. So, as example, you'll have to go to the bank application or even browser or website. And of course, once you do so, you'll have to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you'll have to go to payments, then click on pay bills. Once you click on pay bills, simply just choose the Citibank. Once you choose the Citibank, enter your card informations, like your Citi card informations. Then, of course, you'll have to click on continue, fill up all other informations that they'll ask you. So they'll ask you for some billing details. Make sure to fill them all out. Then click on send billing information. You'll have to confirm that and simply then go and log in back, click on pay bills, and you'll be able to pay with your Citibank account that you connected already now with Access. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.